Hi friends, upgrade your kitchen storage with the Smartly glass container, a quality product from Tata. Made with 100% food grade glass, this container keeps your food safe, fresh, and free from odors or stains. It's a healthier alternative to plastic and perfect for everyday use. The 400 ml size is ideal for storing snacks, curries, salads, or leftovers. Its airtight, leak-proof lid ensures there are no spills, making it great for office lunches or travel. You can reheat food directly in the microwave, saving time and reducing the need for extra dishes. The steady glass construction is durable, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. With its clean, elegant design, you can quickly identify what is inside while keeping your fridge organized. Its MRP is 310, but I bought it for only rupees 49. This is an offer running in Star. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.